4 months ago, I was at 0 followers. I was getting absolutely no views, maybe 100, 150 views a video, no brand deals. Fast forward to today, I'm at around 22,000 followers. We average just over 1.5 million views a month, and I have brands paying me to post content. I literally now make a full-time living off of making content. And it's all because of this one tool, ManyChat. Now, a lot of you guys have heard about ManyChat, but no one actually tells you how to use it. So I'm going to break down exactly how I use ManyChat to generate me over 1.5 million views per month. Alright, so I know this is going to be extremely complicated for you guys, but the first step is actually going to be to search up ManyChat in your keyboard and make an account. I already have one. I'm not going to show you guys how to do that because I assume you can figure out how to make an account. But after you're on it, you'll see all these pages here: accounts, templates, API settings, my applications, message reports. Half of you guys probably don't know what fucking API settings are, so I'm not going to explain that right now. But anyways, so you'll have to add an account here. You just click add new account. You gotta sign in with Instagram, Facebook, whatever. I signed in through Instagram, so got our account here. Click your account. You got automations, list of contacts, automations. You got live chats. You can actually see all of your chats in there. Broadcasting, settings. You guys probably know what settings are, assuming you're watching this video on a mobile device or even a laptop. You have settings. Now the main section you guys have to worry about is automations. This is where the fucking magic happens. So you have 3 sections now. You got my automations, basic, sequences. So automations here is where you actually build all your automations. Obviously you click new automation, and then there's a bunch of options here. I usually do auto DM links from comments, so it sends a link when people comment on a post or reel. That's the most common one. And it says popular here, you'd assume. So I actually already have some automations built out. Let me show you what it looks like when you open a workflow though. So you click that, and then it lets you pick a specific post or reel. So it lets you pick out a specific post or reel. So this is a specific reel we posted probably an hour ago. So the main use of this is when someone comments, you can have ManyChat instantly reply to the comment and respond to them in a DM. So it's great for collecting emails, nurturing leads, whatever it is you're doing. So a lot of times you want to be able to give some free value in your videos so that people are actually enticed to comment. And that's how you're going to get a huge lead list of emails, names, people actually interested in your service or product. As you can see here, hold on, let me go to contacts. Yeah, so we have 16,753 total contacts from ManyChat. So we got this reel here. Let me show you how to set it up. You go next, and this reply. So then you could either change it to any word, so you could comment anything, and it'll automatically respond with whatever you want it to. I usually do a specific word, so we'll say comment the word prompt down below, and it'll send you my framework for viral hooks on Instagram as an example. So our keyword for this one that we said to comment down below at the end of the video was ideas. So you can type in ideas. Now a lot of people are pretty stupid and make a lot of typos, so I usually do a lot of different variations. Idea. I think that's enough, but you get the picture. Ideas. Some people have a lot of typos. Sometimes I have a lot of videos where I say comment prompt, and so many times I'll get this, or I'll get this. The worst is when I say comment for more tips and everyone seems to comment tits for some reason, but I wonder why. Anyways, let's get back to the point here. So you type in ideas, and then if you wanted to, you can make any word. I usually don't do that though, because then someone could say this guy's a fucking idiot, and it responds with just sent it to your DM. I've actually seen a few videos where people are like, yo, send me the link to the prostitute, and because it's set on any word, it's automatically sending them DMs. So make sure to do specific words for the most part. So you click next, customize this message. So this is an opening DM. So for this, this video is about a specific ChatGPT prompt that pretty much gets you 90 days worth of content done for you in minutes just through ChatGPT. So right here, we're gonna just add the prompt in and have it directly sent. So I'll usually have the prompt here in a doc, just have it all written out. I usually just use ChatGPT to generate it too. Paste it, go back to your automation, and then you just send the prompt just like that. But I actually have a secret automation I do that gets me Instagram followers. So I already have it built out. So let me just scratch this whole thing. I'll show you how it looks once a whole automation is built out. I got a secret one. I'll make a video on it in the next video of the best automation that's literally going to double or even triple your followers within instantly, honestly. This automation is fucking crazy. So here's what it looks like when it's built out. You got user comments on your post or reel, and then that's probably going to be the last step. But after you click next on the step I was just showing you, it adds a public reply. So I just customize these. Check your inbox, send it over, check your DMs. You can answer them however you want. So now when someone comments the word idea, they're going to get a comment that says one of these four. So let me actually show you this live. Yeah, so people are commenting ideas, sent it over. So this is all automated. We don't have to manually reply to all of these DMs. So let me show you this in live action. I got a burner account here I'm going to pull out. So we're going to comment ideas. You probably can't see that, whatever. But you get the point. I'm commenting ideas. Then I get a notification here. Pretty much said check your... Sent it over. That's what it said. So now if I go into my DM, go on a message, hey, what's up? Were you looking for my free prompt and bonus hack? Yes. Going to send it over. What's your email? Let me show you guys on the screen here so you guys can see it better. Okay, cool. I'm going to send it over. What's your email? So I have it set up so it collects emails too. This is probably what you guys are going to want to do. You want to have it set up so to get the prompt, they got to give you their email, and then the next video will show you how to make sure they're actually following you in order to get whatever it is you're giving them. So let's just type in something random here. info@info.com. And then, boom. Sends over a link to the doc with everything in it. Man, it's as easy as that. So we have it set up now where it follows up with them if they still want the prompt automatically, and in order to get the prompt they actually have to follow us, and we have conditions set up so make sure they do that, so make sure they're actually following us before we send it out. So I'll make a video on how to actually set up this automation. Before we put this automation in, we were getting maybe 80 to 90 followers a day. Now we're averaging around 200 followers a day. We actually hit 350 followers a couple days ago using this automation, because you could have thousands of people commenting, and for all these people to get the prompt, they have to make sure they follow you. So it's literally a fucking cheat code to getting followers. So I'll do a whole video on that in the next one. So make sure you watch this next video so you know how to actually use this to get Instagram followers as well as emails. I'll show you how to set up the whole process from scratch. Thank you guys for watching. Pretty easy. Peace out.